Hello, preschool families. Today I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake, like this one. What you'll need is a piece of paper, a square piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a marker of some sort. So first thing we do is we take our square piece of paper and we fold it in half. Then we fold it in half again until we have another little square. Then we're going to take our marker and we'll mark where we want our student to cut. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put some black lines on there so I know where to cut. Triangles are easier to cut than something kind of more intricate like a semicircle or something. So I'll make 4 here like this. Your student might, if they're just learning how to use scissors, might just snip, snip, snip around the outside, and that's okay. You might be needing to hold it for them and turning it so they can cut. Let's see how much they can do on their own, but help them along the way. That's great. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these 4 sides real quick. Cut, cut, cut. All the way around. Cool thing with these snowflakes is you can cut all the way around, and the next time do a different shape and it'll be something different. So here's mine. Now I'm going to open it up. And there's our cool snowflake. Awesome. So there's the one that I just did, and here's the one I did earlier. Cool. Let's review the steps involved. To make a snowflake, you need a square piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a marker. Fold the paper in half. Fold the paper again so it makes a square. Mark the paper so your student can see where to cut. Instruct your student to cut on the black lines. Once the cutting is complete, unfold the paper to reveal your unique snowflake. And some tips and tricks or things to think about. If your student's just learning how to hold and use scissors, you can do this project hand over hand. They might just, like I said, snip, snip, snip all the way around the edges, and that's okay. That's kind of the first step in learning how to use scissors. You might need to hold the paper as they cut and turn it to help them out. And we like to say thumbs up in showing the child how to use the scissors and how to put their fingers and their thumb into the right areas there and keep their thumb up. And that's how you make a snowflake. See you next time.